Good afternoon everyone. In our previous video we have seen how to convert a decimal number into a binary number, and we have seen the steps how to convert it, and we have illustrated with some practical problems. In this particular class we will be seeing how to convert a binary number into a decimal number, okay, and what are the steps that are involved. Now, as you people know, a binary number will be having only zeros and ones. So now what you have to do is you have to convert the binary number into a decimal number. For converting the decimal to binary, we perform the operation of division. Now we have to perform the operation of multiplication. I will show you with an example how exactly to convert a binary number into a decimal number, and I will show you whether we have correctly verified, or else whether we have correctly converted the binary to decimal and decimal to binary. We will do some cross verification and we will see whether the method we have used is correct or not. Okay. Now, firstly, I will consider a number that is called as 1011. So, to the base 2. Always you have to represent the binary number to the base 2, or else you will not be knowing whether it is a binary number or else a decimal number. If you are not using this base 2, what happens is the people will be considering this as 1011. If you are having the base 2 to the base 2, you will be reading it as 1011. Okay, so that is the use of this base. So the base represents what kind of number it is, whether it is a binary or else a decimal, octal or else an hexadecimal. Now what I have done is I got this particular number that is called as 1011 to the base 2, that is it is in the binary format. What I have to do is I have to convert this particular number into the decimal number. Now for your idea I will show you the thing stepwise. For one or two problems you follow this particular method. Later on, with the progressing of the syllabus, you can continue without using this particular thing. Now there are 4 digits, so 1 0 1 1. Okay, at the left hand side you have the most significant bit, at the right hand side you will be having the least significant bit. So this is to the base 0. This position is to the base 0, or else the position will be 0. This one will be 1, this one will be 2, and this one will be 3. Okay. Now to convert the decimal to binary, we have divided it by 2. Now to convert the binary to decimal, you have to multiply it with 2. So I have told you the powers. So this is to the power of 0, this particular place is to the power of 1, this one is to the power of 2, and this one is to the power of 3. Now what I have to do, I have to take the first one. As I told you, for conversion of decimal to binary, we have divided it by 2. To convert the binary to decimal, we have to multiply it with 2. So into 2. What is the power? 0. Now, I will consider this particular digit. The digit is 1. I have to multiply it with 2. The power is 1. Again, I will go with this particular digit. 0 is the digit. The power is 2. So, I have to multiply it with 2 and the power is 2. Plus the fourth digit, the digit is 1. I have to multiply it with 2, the power is 3. Okay, so this is the first step you have to follow. Firstly, you have to make note of what are the powers, and then you have to keep on multiplying it with 2, because you are converting from binary. You are converting from binary to decimal. Okay, now the next thing what you have to remember is anything to the power of 0, any number that is apart from 0 to the power of 0, if you have any number, let it be 100, 1000, 10,000, 5000, anything it might be, any number to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. Okay, that is the first thing you have to remember. So what I will do, 1 into 1, 2 to the power of 0, it is nothing but 1. 5 to the power of 0, it is nothing but 1. 10 to the power of 0, it is nothing but 1. 500 to the power of 0, it is nothing but 1. Okay, plus 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2 into 1. 2 is multiplied once. So 1 into 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 is multiplied twice within itself. So 2 is multiplied twice, that is 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4 into 0 plus 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 it is nothing but 8. 8 into 1. So you have to remember, firstly you have to assign what are the powers. You have to know what are the powers. At the rightmost end the power will be 0. Okay, and it keeps on increasing in the steps of 1. The next thing what you have to remember is any number to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. I have given you the example. The next thing is how to multiply the things. 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2 into 1. 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 into 2. 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 to the power of 4 it is nothing but 16. Like this you have to keep on multiplying this. Next I will come again. 1 into 1 it is nothing but 1 plus 1 into 2 it is nothing but 2 plus 0 into 4, any number multiplied with 0 it is nothing but 0 plus 8 into 1 it is nothing but 8. Nextly what I have to do, you have to add all these particular digits, that is 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 it is nothing but 11. Okay, so at the answer, at the finally what I have to write is 1111 to the base 2 is equal to 11. Okay, if you convert 1011 decimal number to the binary number to the decimal, the value will be equal to 11. So this is how exactly you are converting the binary number to the decimal form. Okay, now let me show you another one example, and I will try to convert another binary number to the decimal number. So what I will do, I will consider one number, it will be 111011 to the base 2. We have to convert it into decimal. Convert this particular number into decimal. Now again follow the same procedure. For few problems you follow step by steps. Later on you can increase your speed without using these particular steps. So the number is 111011. Okay, as I have told you, the rightmost power will be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next what you have to do, from the rightmost side you have to start to the leftmost. So 1 into, you are converting from binary to decimal. So what you have to do, you have to multiply it with 0. Okay, the power is 0. Next 1 is 1 into 2 to the power of 1, this number. Next you will go for this particular number plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2, the power is 2. Next you will go for this particular number, the number is 1. You have to multiply it with 2, the power is 3, 2 to the power of 3, plus you will go for this particular digit, the number is 1, the digit you have to multiply it with 2, the power is 4, plus you will go for this particular digit, the digit is 1, you have to multiply it with 2, the power is 5. Okay, so this is the next thing you have to do. Again same procedure, any number to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. 1 into 1, 2 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. I have told you in the previous example. Plus 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2 into 1. So it is nothing but 2 into 1 plus. We will go for this particular digit. 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4 into 0. The number plus. The next is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is nothing but 8. So 8 into the 8 into the digit is 1 plus 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 1 into 16 plus 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So you have to take 1 into 32. The digit is 1, you have to multiply it with 32. Okay. Next, we will come back how to do this thing. 1 into 1 it is 1 plus 2 into 1 it is 2 plus 0 into 4 it is nothing but 0 plus 1 into 8 it is nothing but 8 plus 1 into 16 it is nothing but 16. 1 into 32 it is nothing but 32. Okay. Now you have to add all these things. So 32 plus 16 it is nothing but 48. 48 plus 8 is nothing but 56. 56 plus 56 plus 2 it is nothing but 58. 58 plus 1 is nothing but 59. So if you convert this particular binary number to the decimal, you will be getting the answer as 59. So finally what you have to write is 111011 to the base 2 is equal to 59. So this is how exactly you are converting the binary number into the decimal number. So if you want to cross check this particular thing, I will just cross check this particular problem is correct or not. So what I have to do, I have to convert again this decimal number into binary number and let us see whether I will get the same answer or not. I will take 59, I will divide it by 2. So 59 is nothing but, if I divide it by 2, I will get 29 as the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Again, if I divide 29 by 2, again I can divide it 14 times. I can divide it 14 times. The remainder will be equal to 1. I am showing this in this particular way. 29 to 14. Okay. If you can multiply, you can divide 29 by 2 14 times. So the remainder will be equal to 1. So I am writing the remainder over here. Next again, I will go with 14. I can, if I divide 14 by 2, the quotient will be 7. The remainder will be 0. Again, if I divide 7 by 2, okay, the quotient will be 3. The remainder will be equal to 1. Again, if I divide 3 by 2, the quotient will be 1 as well as the remainder will be equal to 1. So I have to consider from this particular way. I have to write this particular way. That is, from here I have to start 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. So you can see both of these things are correct. So you can cross verify whether you have got the right answer or not by again converting this particular step. Okay. Hope you people have understood this particular problem. So the assignment will be like this. You have to, sorry for the inconvenience. I'll write this number over here. 1111 0011. The first assignment problem will be 1111 0011. The second assignment problem is 111 000 1 1 1. So these are the two assignment problems. That is, first one is 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. The second assignment problem is 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, these two problems you have to solve it and you have to send back to my WhatsApp number. Hope you people have understood this particular concept. If you have any doubts with these topics, okay, you have to call me and you have to clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you everyone.